The final thing we're going to look at in the solutions note packet is dilutions. Dilution is when one solvent is added to a solution in order to lower the concentration of the solution. So we've got a few things going on, and we're going to be using this again when we get into acids and bases. This is very similar to what's on table T. On table T, we've got A's and B's. I believe. And so this is M1V1 equals M2V2, where M is the molarity and V is the volume, 1 is initial and 2 is final. When we flip the sheet over, the packet over to page 7, we've got two sample problems. And we're going to do one of them. What is the volume? What volume? 16 molar. And I'm just going to put V1 and M1 because that's what we're starting with. Must be used to prepare 1.5 liters, so that sounds like something has changed, of a 0.1 molar, capital M, sulfuric acid solution. So our equation is M1V1 equals M2V2. We're going to take what we have identified and we're going to substitute in. M1 is 16, V1 is my X, equals M2.10 and V2 is 1.5. Now when I solve for this, I solve for X. Multiply this, divide both sides by 16. Use your algebraic rules here. 0.0094. In our units, it says what volume. Well, I have to look at my units over here. It says liters. Now when you go through, I want you to do number 2. The answer to number 2 at the end, what you should get to, is 600 milliliters because it's asking for milliliters, and this unit is in milliliters. We do not need to be converting back and forth between milliliters and liters for this, as long as both the initial and the final are both in the same. Now do the problem. If you don't get it right, come and see me.